Hey guys! Welcome back sa channel ko. Dalawang application ang isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon na kung saan pwede nyong pagkakitaan ng small extra cash lang habang nag-exercise kayo. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Alright guys, let's jump into this first application. Just a little disclaimer lang po guys na don't expect to earn a lot of money dito sa application na i-share ko. Bali guys, you could earn but just a little small cash only na pwede nyong gamitin pang lunch nyo, dinner, or pang date nyo. Bali guys, ginagamit to for motivation only. It's a little motivation para dun sa mga tao na gustong ma-accomplish yung fitness goal nila. Alright guys, so yung first application is itong Achievement app. So ito pong application na to will pay you to do a variety of exercises like walking, running, swimming, biking, or any sports activities. And yun nga, you will get paid to those any activities. And yun nga guys, every day you can log your activities through this application and you will get rewarded of points by just tracking your heart rate, walking, running, biking, completed surveys on diabetes, meditated, log food, answering some questions, and posting a health related on your Twitter account. And also guys, you can earn $10 dito for every 10,000 points and you can redeem that via PayPal only. And direct deposit din to through your bank account. Or kaya naman pwede nyong i-donate yung points nyo directly sa charity. And yun nga guys, yung rewards are paid within 7 business days. And also guys, dito you can participate in cutting edge research. For example, mag-join kayo dyan sa study and magkukontribute kayo dyan ng mga understanding nyo about human health. So as you can see guys, meron na silang more than 3 million na achievement members and meron na rin silang more than 860,000 na achievers na nag-participate dito sa research nila. And of course, meron na rin silang 930 billion plus na steps na nai-record nila sa system nila. Alright guys, pakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung mga sample offers na pwede nyong i-take and kung magkano yung points na pwede nyong makollect for each offers. So dito nakalagin po ako sa account ko on their website and pwede nyo ring i-check guys sa mismong application nyo sa mga phone nyo. And by the way guys, available tong application na to for Android and iOS. So kung makikita nyo dito guys, meron ditong 50 points. You can just connect your first health app. So connect nyo lang and then you can collect 50 points. And meron din dito complete a health survey and after mo makomplete yan, you can collect 200 points. Meron din dito yung referral bonus. So guys, dito pwede kayong mag-refer din ng friends nyo and every referral guys is 100 points po yan. Alright, so dito, so ito yung one-click question. So click mo lang yan and then you can earn 5 points. So kung makikita mo, close lang natin yan and may 5 points ako kanina. I-reload lang natin. Then as you can see guys, meron na akong 10 points. So dito meron ding and dito tell us more about your flu-like symptoms. Complete mo lang din yung survey and then you can collect 50 points. Meron din dito mag-read and research ka lang about chronic illness and step count. You can get 5 points. So same din dito guys, you can still collect more points. Alright guys, sa mga gustong mag-check and mag-download ng application na to, nandyan sa description yung link nito and available to download tong application na to either on Android or iOS device. Alright guys, so yung next application is Sweatcoin. Probably ito yung pinaka most popular na paying application when it comes in walking or running. And compare sa achievement application guys, dito sa Sweatcoin, ang activity lang dito or yung gagawin mo lang is walking and running and you will get paid. Pero dito guys, may sarili silang digital currency na ibabayad sa'yo. For every 1,000 outdoor steps is converted po yan into 0.95 Sweatcoin. So dito guys, yung sweat coins na maiipon nyo, pwede nyo magamit yan to redeem PayPal Cash. Merong $100 and meron ding $1,000. Or kaya naman, pwede nyo rin yung i-redeem to any items like ito, kung makikita nyo rito, yung earring, worth of 7,000 sweat coins yan. Or kaya naman sa iPhone 8, worth of 20,000 sweat coins yan. And ito rin guys, yun nga, yung 1,000 PayPal Cash is worth of 20,000 sweat coins. And dito guys, pwede rin kayo mag-invite ng friends nyo and yung each referral is 5 sweat coins po siya. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-try nito and gustong i-check or i-download, nandyan din yung link sa my description and i-click nyo na lang para ma-download nyo. Available naman siya for App Store and Play Store. Actually, meron din akong video tutorial nito and hanapin nyo lang sa my library ng channel ko and panoorin nyo na lang. And again guys, those are the two apps and available po siya sa Android device and iOS device. I hope you enjoyed this video guys and don't forget to give a thumbs up and share the video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.